In your practice, how did you shift from thinking about dialysis as one that's done in center to one that's done at home?
It's such an interesting thing that happens during training. I think during nephrology fellowship training, we often get in a mindset of dialysis is something that's done in the center, and then there's a small group of people that dialyzed at home. I found that early in my practice, I had a complete mindset shift where I shifted from thinking about dialysis in that way to thinking about dialysis as how I would want to do it or how I would want a family member to do it. And when I had that mindset shift, I started to approach every patient thinking about how are we going to get you home and keep your life as normal as possible versus how am I going to get a patient in center, which is often the easier, simpler thing to do from a systems perspective. And one of the important jobs that we do as nephrologists is, particularly when a patient's kidney function is declining, we provide them with hope and a plan for how we're going to deal with this serious issue. So in those folks who aren't able to receive a preemptive kidney transplant, we've then got to think, well, if dialysis is what we're going to do, what kind of dialysis is going to fit best with your life and your goals? And for many patients, that's dialysis at home. Patients often have a lot of anxiety about doing any kind of intensive medical procedure at home, and dialysis falls into that. So a key to making patients feel more comfortable and less anxious about this is letting them know that you're going to be there every step of the way and that you understand the things that they are going to start to go through, and you can explain the steps. You can let them know that you've got a whole team of people that you regularly work with who are going to be available to them to show them how to do this and to be on call for them 24/7 to answer any questions that come up. And that you've seen many people go through this and you can be really successful with it at home and live a wonderful life.